medical cash said there be a can send it na yemfa eni training ton enkasa mpanifo ho yerubu ni de be kasa ba yemfa hu so mene kasa ni ewom so no medin de akwasi ensia betimi afrem commander 6 Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edusui yeda so ewo hill comfort anoche project no eso quickly that champacho say me pictures am adwedefo no e de na ready a enu akoma say adwedefo koma 220,000 kuma say adwedefo kuma say adwedefo 220,000 Ghana cedis. It is so these are their checks. First one 100,000 Ghana cedis, second one 120,000 Ghana cedis. And Asem de bako esa o me say enu na na santime nyina wura o 2 ababio emma a hoping $5 million US. So they supported the Hill Comfort Anoche project. Yigusu any da kwan say aban beyi eto na free niema na ye be siese Comfort Anoche no obeyi to na free ne atimi akle ne mande aba. Quickly mam kwa maso na me ne dwemtreni edema mrahye odwafoku a ehwe man apom de ensem so Ghana mrahye odwafiem Dr. Nana Ayu efriye oye mrahye bedwane ye wo Asante Mantemu. Dr. Atie ka no pem wachim wakwaba eba Asem Yi Di Ka so
I was made you to check here for chef just as a call for.
If you just say as a call for say or muda se oba ye what show leadership in all sphere. Mostly ejmapaya woye.
Wait me that's it. I'm sure that's it.
Doctor as chairman at the Health Committee or Parliament. A brebe na moti say Hill Comfort Anoche project. E ho niema ye krefra mo ne bed Abeka airport because of 1.7 million Ghana cedis inti. Yes, ntimi enyi emyemfa me yadwuma.
Oh, just about I think is it last week and before Easter. And I'm here.
Wow. And what you na committee on health? Yeah, mo ba share film. Motu e de afa.
Well, I mean see I was say a Paibuka.
Okay.
Now, I will your word that you say Hanabeka and Domino Hanabeka. Yeah, that was here. You're confusing Kakra. I think the MPs are getting confused a little bit. Because the MPs are getting confused a little bit. They say, yeah. Waiver not say aban ye project bi ana obi a free manone ana obi a obeye project bi wa Ghana aban to be cast okay we project obeye no esan say me person nya so mfa so nti unim oniama odi besi with the money odi besi dan no dey say hotel o say factory ye be ma waiver 1D1 finance bia untia hwe untia vat untia NHI get only duty in the so
yeah
na eyade aban bia ye be free Nkrumah friends so even now we are self known na one waivers yes. But you had no mono of news landscape na the past 2-3 years waivers are be issue kakra I was na me
sure
a lot of issues are say na aban no ma waiver waiver no so afe sika obetimi anya free duty mu be bia 3 billion na ma waiver na bodi acheche na nkofo yi omu niema na abaye sembe pre tibena ukase enye health committee pe appointed na be chairman me sanso ye member of the finance committee
yeah
finance committee hona waiver ni na befa because finance for the ministry of finance the ministry of finance ono the bebre na yen ya grantee waivers no atwati ati because your taxes and taxes na ye di so and yes be free so or parliament inti se uko na se I will say you grant you waiver be na se anywhere in probably no more clearance or parliament but what you say
okay
and ministry for no so see almost because yenya pressure our Ghana for so no. Your finance committee also show a letter last 2 years. Essentially, the go almost say waiver no ministry or no munjai. But what you say?
Okay.
In the end, so Ministry of Finance for because Parliament for no say yenjai. But what you say?
Yeah.
Yes, so you because say a man for ne to abama yekoye membership ekoshe brano. Almost na eka say waiver no also. But what you say? It is here no. I will see. You're confused. As I'm talking to you now, I was offered the chairman of the finance committee.
Okay.
Obi say, "Omo ye 1D1F no basic factory. Afan crofo wo mu ama omo nduma no ba ko be 48. I stand to be corrected by about 48. Edio 9 what the boy.
Yeah.
Epe waivers wo pot 3 years in near your farmer or more. 48 companies have a 1D1F. To me, and your 1D1F because Parliament give me more waiver. But what you say? It's I say, it didn't bobo a yen several millions of dollars.
Yeah.
Nipa no so no ye catch and say, ye the waiver no be mouth. Now what the near my back. Or no say any may 1D1F for any maybe make offer family near my back because factory. What did they do? Parliament near my waiver and I work for near my band. Yes, to me because Ghana for say my day waivers in the so. Into the issue of waiver, no, though, make me fair sante. Into the budget here, you know, the Yakoma so. In our MPC here, a contribution. In our Eddie home, I Jim, a year train for a couple get so. Into anything be a sebi. Me, my dear, asante na min kama asante debi, but I know you're one. But I'm taking the principle of waivers. But what you say?
Yeah.
I'm a ministry for no attitude. No, I is slow because of MPs. And no minister and obi or Ministry of Finance into me can't say omunya warning from Parliament on waiver granted.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
It will come so the best say. And now, Doctor, your man for
Doctor. Penyamuke, does it mean say na ministry no Emma waivers be without parliamentary approval na?
Debbie, na ministry Emma waivers based upon the power given to them from Parliament or exemptions. But what you say?
Okay.
Now the way a man for the quiet politics, no. Ebi the amanyosem say Emma waivers, no, because of ebia sika ye debate me dia boa o man no and I would che but what you say
but when him you share that ba waivers discussion and so because me say the former finance minister Kedofrata sometimes raise concern kra our parliament except from somewhere 2007 2008 to 2022 now government are losing about 27 billion Ghana cedis on tax waivers.
Yeah, health sector,
yeah.
Nipa health here in a business.
Yeah.
A see health as business, but we also in the social cluster. But what you say?
Yeah.
A man for who they say the end benefit of ABA charity, sense of purpose, sense of like obi be yenji or wa obi yan fama we won't
physicalize. For now, Dr. Siaka say. What is the state of Hill Comfanoche project and Yemana Abeka Temasu Senjina?
I think the Minister of Finance is working on it. Yeah, Minister of Finance, the letter I come from, understand from the presidency. Into the Minister of State, and I think yeah, she's all working on it for them. But, and what say, could you say, we don't have to work in a system based upon emotions, but what you say.
Yeah.
And what say, will be cultural of Confanochi the chairman no a culture of Facebook na afedi akọ generate issues and what say and culture letter e call say omope waiver na what sanka eche me ka chewa MPs nkofo wa manone a ompeso mo containers of niema be chewa mo keke na omo de koche omo hospitals me Professor Dr. Bishop Adey
okay
Columbus, Ohio. ono our containers last year at the almost about 20. I be near man, me catch and say, o say near man no year new and where you good for hospitals, but will be bad dumping and we go so dear, media member. Or the more pictures the better me, yes, and can make call. Nanka nema we bank if you just be no much it be several hospitals. A you good me medical doctor. Yes, as well hospitals. Into minimum, yeah, minimum there. I mean, who the videos of the items say, yeah, containers a bit me almost about 20 make a chair as a bishop. If you do pot, I mean to me.
Ni bedding.
Ni bedding. Waiver no mean kunya. Enti min kandada or memma emma yemu emma say.
Okay, 84 now, yeah, from.
So a lot of people want to bring donations, they are not able to do because waivers has become an issue.
Okay, so for now, yeah, tears from Dr. Nana, you are free and say, President, I directly through a letter say, yeah, release and Eman Farmer Confano Chimpenifo.
I think say, yeah, I spoke to the presidential advisor, Dr. Ziad Sassari.
Okay.
And I'll say, yeah, I think so or no. And actually, that a letter has gone to finance. A director on the Hill Confanochi project, you know, by all means, you know, the ministry would work on it, and then they will give them the exemption to clear the items.
Okay.
But and then I acquire Confanochi.
Yeah.
Nipa bibredia. I want no more. Ebe affect you. Any omo ewa bruchia. Person omo becha dia. Almost so dia. I will see. Yes, so be Confanochi. Now ye can't issue. They say waivers no. If you are a papa or Pachuati here.
But who's a doctor near Amma Bebre walk concern Kakao waivers near say. Who share waivers na yema? And in fast one or so mine in your free muna. I say and shed that entirely. For example, Yenim say one of the cardinal reasons I didn't mark waivers for memu, especially for industries, for companies, for hotels and the rest. So make create in yuma. Nipa the boss make create yuma best at least. Nip man for the park best at 10. Baba we chebe jina so dia mani pan waiver no be we ko no fa nipa be se 2 so calculate adini ye pa yes aban kana wo bo on waiver no and tell it with him for so abanya. That is where things are for call on parliament say mo fa ma adwen and call them say be mu say
ya di adua ko but ha I made especially one DYF for the me.
Okay.
I told your reporter on Joy FM yesterday.
Okay.
The Kath said it makes no sense to me for Parliament to hold them. Because I was saying, you have feed families in the country.
Sure. Sure.
And say all over the world, I'm buying me a chassis the topo. Kase mo amobeko that area ye beboabo na mo amobeko me nye sika but me the taxes in na be chemo.
Okay.
And look at kebeti am obi akogilo their business.
Yeah.
A risk taking.
Okay.
It is a buy ebeboka na infaso beba dia. There's nothing wrong to do it. But omo be abuse the say bia or your minister no the akoma nebusia ni bi pacho ase. Na o the akoma
friends and cronies, family members.
What you're fishing out? You're fishing abuse.
Okay.
But remember, you demonize the whole concept. No.
Dr. Nane, are you free me? A young one was set up to now. The government of Ghana and your contribution towards Hill Confanochi project.
Oh, sir. I think, sir, I know the government's responsibility, especially on the maternal department project now, I just thought because of this IMF negotiations and co. And this is a good initiative that was taken by the CEO.
Okay.
Overtaking initiative, Adai came to me and I encourage him. I have been part of whatever decision that they took, even to Otumfo, to go and get him on board. But what you say, we in the caucus in Ashanti have thought, say, encourage it because there was to me boy home. But what you say, and that should be an example of self-finance and what you can do for others to help you.
Okay.
Because now it's difficult for government. I think we are looking at how we are helping government and not looking at how government is not helping us because government has several other responsibilities that is doing on Fanoche. We are looking at how you beat me up one. So at this point here, I think government contributions can be the areas of waivers.
Okay.
But government should be bold and do it.
Okay.
Government or a waiver sentiments we delay on this issue. But Ghana for the culture is there. Yani say waivers no month so. But yeah, I say mufama on fanochia, and any chia mufama omo. But we should make system on. We should build the systems, but not on emotions and as and when. It's discretionary. It's not sustainable. No.
But as a doctor, Nana, are you a free a chairman, Parliament Committee on Health, Member of Parliament, Efija, as your Korean, I'm saying no entry and common. So, Yaribesi, Yakako see now, so near woman, you say, a Simon Penny, a director say, Yen grante Hill Confanochi project, no waiver. Na omunie mana beka port yen clear saa enema ne nyina ne mfa metua adwuma ne so aban ne saa de aban Ghana for da wase aban ne saa Ghana for da wase a sanda why ade enti Mr President ye kan wati a mo say akato Asem Yi Di Ka ni ase ebe demonize leaders Ghanaians e wa ase ye kana wo ya ye be mo amo ti saa aban ne saa de a aban ye kan se mo so ay ne sana fe kwamba da ho no mutimi akwa ne mane akwa project no me de akwasi ensi ampense mo bre en adruso